Okay, so this is the first question from Dice and Coins. 2 dice are thrown and the sum of their results is shown in the table. So they're just adding together what they add up to. So if this is the first die down this side and this is the second one, if I've got a 1 and a 1, I read across and you'll see that that would equal 2. If I've got a 1 and a 2, 1 on the first one, 2 on the second one, that's a 3. This one says, what is the probability of rolling a total of 2? So you just look inside that grid and see how many 2s there are. How many can we see? 1. There's only 1 there, isn't there? How many numbers are there in that grid altogether? 36, because we just go 6 times 6 is 36. So the probability for that one is just 1 out of 36. And there we go. So we've got another one. 2 dice are thrown. What is the probability of rolling a sum greater than 11 or a double? So these are the ones where we've got to watch the words. If it says greater than 11, that means bigger than 11, not including 11. Because 11 is the same as 11. It's not bigger than itself, is it? So the only thing that's greater than 11 is 12. And that's only happening once, a 6 and a 6. But it says greater than 11 or a double, so I have to add up how many doubles there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's a double, but we've already counted it, haven't we? 6 and 6 made 12. That's already counted. So really, there are just 6 options that are either doubles or greater than 11. So 6 out of 36, I could leave my answer like that, but what does it say underneath? In simplest form. So we've got to simplify the fraction. Now, you can use your calculator to do that, or you can just say, well, 6 goes into 6 once, and 6 goes into 36 6 times. So the answer would be 1 over 6. And then you just hit enter, and it tells you if you get it right or not. Let's have a look at one more. So this is a coin tossing one, because it said dice and coins. So, 1 coin is tossed twice. The sample space is shown. What is the probability of getting 2 tails? So this is one of the questions that the mathematicians just 200 years ago couldn't get. There are actually 4 different outcomes when I toss 2 coins. They could both be showing heads facing up, both be showing tails facing up, or I could get tails and heads, or heads and then tails. Yeah. So this one here, the chance of getting 2 tails, that's only 1 out of the 4 options. So you just make it 1 out of 4. And there we go. It works. So that's how you do them. I don't want to do them all for you, but that should start you off. If you've got any more questions, stick them in the collaboration space and I will help you with them. See you in the next video.